Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. Hello, Claire at French in the Midlands here. I made this video because my students requested it. It's about object pronouns and how to get them right. And we'll concentrate on the present tense here. First of all, let's have a look at what object pronouns are. They are little words that replace an object or a person to save you repeating them. Example, I like your parents becomes I like them to save you repeating your parents. I watched Marie play, I watched her play. He's talking to Steve, he's talking to him. You get the idea. The sticky point in French is where do object pronouns go in a sentence? Short answer, it's not where you think. It's not like English. They always go before the main verb. As in, je les aime bien, for I like them. See, in French we say I them like. Elle le croit, she believes him. She hims believe. On la mange tout de suite, we're eating it straight away. Or we eat straight away, if you like. Before we move on to real-life examples, I want you to know there's two types of object pronouns. Direct, which is me, you, it, him, her, them, as in she has invited them. And indirect, which is to me, to you, to it, to him, to her, to them. I am talking to him. So it's only called indirect because it's mediated by to. And that's all you need to remember. First of all, how to say me to me and you to you. Luckily, me to me are the same and you to you are the same as well. Let's have a look. So, me and M apostrophe means me, as in il me voit, he sees me, or he me sees, in that case. It also means to me. Elle me parle. She's talking to me. So she, to me, is talking. The next one, te, T apostrophe, or vous, is you or to you. So you, as in je t'appelle demain, I'll call you tomorrow. You could also say je vous appelle demain. It's exactly the same thing, it's more formal. To you, je te téléphone demain, because in French it's téléphoner à, to phone to someone. It isn't indirect in English, but it is in French, that's why it's to you. Je vous téléphone demain. So me becomes M apostrophe in front of a vowel. Te becomes T apostrophe in front of a vowel. Vous doesn't change. Now this is where it gets complicated, because him and to him are not the same word, and her and to her aren't the same word either. Let's have a look. If you want to translate the idea of him or it, it's le or L apostrophe. Now it goes for a person who is masculine or an object which is masculine, because remember in French, objects are a he or a she as well. So when you say il le voit, it can mean he sees him or he sees it. Out of context, you can't tell. In context, you'll be able to find that out. For a feminine person or object, a her or an it, it's la or L apostrophe again if it starts with a vowel. On la prépare tout de suite. We prepare it straight away. So we it prepare again. This is the bit you've got to remember. To him or to her is lui. Totally different word from le or la. So je lui dis bonjour. I say hello to him. It could be to her as well because it's the same word. Il lui parle. They're talking to her. But again, out of context, we don't know. It could be to him. So remember this. To him or to her is lui. Then we've got us to us, same word, and them to them. Not the same word again. Let's have a look. Nous is both us and to us. Il nous voit, he sees us. Elle nous parle, she's talking to us. But for them, it's going to be les, so je les invite demain. I'm inviting them tomorrow. To them is leur. Je leur donne mon adresse. I'll give them my address. Or I'm giving them my address. So you see, les is them, leur is to them. And again, like lui we had earlier, leur is the one to look out for. That's it for now. I tried to keep this one short and sweet, so it's not too overwhelming. If you want more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have anything you want to ask. And go to FrenchInTheMidlands.com if you want to have a look at ebooks or courses. I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.